So if I kind of go through these, I could see some weird little, if I zoom in, there's just some cracks and things going on. So I might want to fix that. And what I can do is we're going to do that through appearance. So we're going to go to Window, Appearance. And remember how we can make two fills? So I want to remember this pink color. So I need to find them in my swatches. So Window, Swatches. Okay, and what I need to do, it looks like that pink is here. If I take the eyedropper tool and I click on an object, what's happening is it's giving me the swatch that is the pattern instead of the color, right? Because this is a pattern, it's not a color. So we need to know what is the major color of your background before you begin this. All right. And you should have it in your swatches that you saved earlier as an ASE file. So I'm going to go to Fill, and we're going to make another fill under this one, which is going to hide the cracks. So I have this highlighted. I'm going to click on this, which means duplicate the selected item. Now, this is it's just a duplication. It actually, if I have a duplication, it actually, you can tell that the whites, the gaps fill in a little bit. All right, so let's change this from another pattern to the pink that is the main color, the main background color of the triangle. I'm gonna close these windows just so we can see what happened. I have a fill. This is my pattern. Under that is just the pink. So let's close that now. Let's kind of zoom in. It's not as bad as before, especially in there. You can kind of see it there, but it's not so bad. And that's just an issue when you rotate your hexagon. It gets a little crazy. So you can do the same thing for these. You just need to have those color swatches in your, you need to have this background color in your swatch there.